Hey TechVibes, it's heating up today. Let's talk about bar steel inspection. Let's go. The reality: fast, fierce, unforgiving. Bar steel flies by at 50 to 100 meters per second. Manual checks way too slow. Surface flaws hard to catch. Quality at risk. Enter the modular 3D compact sensor series by AT. Surface defects detected in real time. Geometry measured to the micron. 1 mm resolution at 100 meters per second requires up to 100 kHz. Our 3K imager with warp speed goes beyond that, so cool down, it's more than fast enough. Fast to deploy, easy to scale, built for your line.